Di Mezzo is the only blend produced by Punto Zero Winery. It is a Bordeaux blend made of a 50% of Cabernet Sauvignon, 20% of Cabernet Franc, and a 30% of Merlot. Of the three kind of grapes, only the Merlot undergoes a light drying process of about 1 month. Also here, the yields are very low and the vines are very old, more than 60 years old. After the fermentation, the wine matures in new barrique for 24 months. The color is a deep ruby red with nice purple hints. On the nose, we can perceive black plum, red plum, blackberry, red berry, a mixture of black and red fruits, and a good spiciness. A bit of herbal note, a good spiciness that comes out from the maturing in the oaks. The wine invades the palate in a solid way, but also is a very wraparound wine that comes out in the palate very nice. We can say that the acidity and the spiciness of a Cabernet encounters the roundness and velvet note of the Merlot grape. A very nice blend. This is a powerful but harmonious wine. It goes well with strong foods, like for example a guinea fowl or game or well-seasoned cheese, but also with some succulent and red meats, like for example our Fiorentina.